Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Now we're going to discuss about attributes. So let's list all the attributes that we have in this folder directory, new directory, and we have it's different when we use dir and when we use attrib. As you can see, with attrib we have full path and the list is very clear. So we have all the files here in this directory, new directory, and we have 3 text documents and we have 3 images with extension of JPEG, and those on the left side are letters. That means that a letter attribute is by default set on every file. So follow me next. What I'm gonna do, we go /attrib/, and now we have list of all letters attributes that we can set on that attribute on the execute on any file that we have in that folder or any kind of folder that you are in. So with a plus we sets an attribute, and with a minus we clears an attribute. Those are the letters that signifies the changes on those files. Like if we want to set on JPEG or text document to be read only, we use plus sign, and we use like R read only. So let me show you how we can do it. Let's go again, use our list. Now let's go attrib plus R, and let's say that we want to set that rule on hello to text document. Name of the text document and extension, press enter, list it again, and as you can see on the left side there is R read only set on that document. So let's go a little bit further. Let's go to this PC, let's go to E, command line, new directory. So here is those files that we have, those 6 files that we have here in that directory, new directory. So let's do it like this. I'm gonna set it like that so you can see better. And now let's say that we want to remove that attribute. We go -R and hello text document. Let's list it again, attrib, and now that rule, that attribute is disappeared. Now the change can be made on that hello text document. If we want to do something like this, let's do it for an example. We are gonna go attrib and we are gonna do +h and this star and extensions txt. Press enter. Let's go attrib, and now I'm gonna explain you what that means. When you set this star here, this is universal selector. That means all. That indicates all files with extension txt. Okay, and let's check it out here on this directory. So what happened with those files? They are hidden. They are here, but they are hidden. So we set attributes to be hidden hide. We set attribute to be h. So the files should be hidden if we executed everything right. So those files are now missing from here. They are not missing, but they are hidden. So let's undone this process. Let's go attrib, let's go -h, let's go universal selector for all text documents, and let's list attrib. My bad, let's list attrib, and we undone the process. If we want to do multiple attributes, let's do it like this, +R +h and name of the file, or we can do it universal selector, and let's check that out on, let's do it on all JPEG images attrib, and now as you can see we executed multiple to, you can add 3 or 4 or 5, it doesn't matter, you can execute all of them if you want at once, but this is the way how to execute multiple attributes on one or more documents. How to target a specific file and how to target all documents with extensions, JPEG or whatever extension it is in the game. So now when we learned that, let's go again just to undone the process, and now as we can see there is no JPEG files in this directory. They are missing. No, actually they are not missing, but they are hidden. Let's undone the process. Let's go attrib and let's go -h -r and all files with extension JPEG, and we're gonna list it again. And as we can see, this is the default. We undone the process and we're gonna clear code, dir cls attrib. Now I'm gonna show you how you can rename some files. It is easy. Let's use rename command, and let's rename hello to text document, and we're gonna rename it into hell boy. Let's use attrib, and now as you can see, we changed the name of that hello text document into hello boy. So let's go back. It is inappropriate to use hellboy, so we're gonna switch back to text document, here rename hello boy into hello to text document. Something is bad, so I wrote the wrong command, my bad. Now we are gonna go like this, and as we can see, we switch back to hello to, we renamed 2 times this file, this text document. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.